Everybody, it's Gail from Cards and Stuff with Gail, and I'm just going to give you a sneak preview of my latest Trifold mini album. And for this album I've used some new products in the annual catalogue 2025-2026, and it's the Beautiful Gallery DSP, and I've added using the new in colours Secret Sea and Cloud Cover. So it measures, I don't know what it measures. It measures, what's that, about 6 by 6, and it's got a 3/4 inch spine, and there's magnets holding that closed, and I haven't attached those, they flip out, and then the album opens, and there's your trifold. So on the first panel, I've just added a little flip album with some little places for photos and journaling. The second panel, the middle panel, I've added a pocket and a cute little flip album. So there's enough room in there. There's 10 pages. There's five double-sided pages, so there's 10 pages for lots of photos in that. And that just slips in there. I had meant to put a flap on that, but I forgot that bit. And the last panel is the right-hand side, and it's another little flip album. Oops, there's that. And I've added a little pocket at the back with another photo mat, and that will slip in the back there. And that's the cute little album, and it's really pretty, and I think I'm going to use this for my 60th birthday photos for when I go away. Alright, that's all I wanted to show you. Talk to you soon. Bye.